I thank God I live in a gated community, because the way they just left my iPhone on my porch, a whole $800 phone, left it on my porch. Anybody could have got it. Anybody could have got it. Okay, hey y'all, so welcome to another day of Vlogmas. So yes, I was festive today at work. We had to dress like reindeer. So yeah, but I wanted to do an iPhone unboxing for you guys. So I got the iPhone 14 thumbnail. Okay, and yeah, they literally just dropped it on my porch. Like, I just, you know, happy I stay around honest people. But yeah, so I want to show you guys what it looks like. And I currently have the XR. So I've had this phone for like literally like 4 or 5 years. I think I got it like when it came out about 4 or 5 years ago. Yeah, because they come out with one like every year. That's the 10, so 14. And I got it in white, but I think the name is called Starlight. Y'all know the new iPhones don't come with the boxes anymore, so I gotta get another box. But Five Below have them. I just left there too, but I just didn't get it because I'll just plug it up into my box for my MacBook, or I'll just plug it up in my MacBook. Like, it's not a big deal, because they all still have this charger, so I can just use my regular charger. Okay, but anyways, so this is the phone. It is literally the same. I feel like it's the same size as my XR. Y'all sure this the 14? I'm not impressed. Hold on. Yo, why this phone? I feel like this phone is the same. This is probably a bad unboxing. Okay, so in comparison to the XR, y'all, literally the same size. Cool. So I just got the regular SR. Oh, not XR. I got the regular iPhone 14. I got 128 gigabytes. It comes with the charger, and that's literally it. Like, there's really nothing too special. I thought this unboxing was going to be kind of fun, but it's really not. Let's see. Yeah, that's pretty much it. I'm gonna turn it on. Well, first, where do I put my SIM card? Oh no, how do I put my SIM card in here? How do I activate it? Do we not put the SIM card in here anymore? Did this come with instructions? Well, anyways, I went to Five Below to get me a case, and apparently I guess the 13 and the 14 are the same size. So all they had was 13s, but it said 14/13. So I'm about to see if this 13 case will fit my iPhone 14. Let's hope so, because if not, I'm gonna be so mad because it's so cold and I don't feel like going back and returning this. And then I have to wait on Amazon, even though I got Prime. I don't want to wait. But I gotta figure out how I'm gonna even do this phone, because I don't see where the SIM card go. So anyways, I just got a clear case because I wanted a white phone. And it just looks like this. It's very simple. I got a screen protector too. Okay, let's see if the iPhone 14 fits in the 13 case. Okay, it does. So yeah, so if you ever want a 13 case, or if you have an iPhone, you just need a case, get a 13. Cool. Okay, now I gotta figure out how to turn this on. Ooh, it's turning on. I'm gonna put this screen protector on here too. This is so cute, but why I look like a white version of the phone I already got. It just has a better camera. I'm not gonna trade in this phone. I just really don't want to. I got lots of memories in that phone. But oh look y'all. Okay. You don't have to tell me hello in every language. Okay, United States. Okay, so now I am setting it up. Bring your current iPhone or iPad near this to set it up. That's so cool. Okay. Okay, look guys, you can just bring your phone near the other phone and it sets it up. That's cool, because I didn't know where the iPhone was gonna go. Y'all, my battery about to die. Okay, then you have to do that. Can y'all see? Don't die. But you have to hold like your phone over this. That is so cool. Oh, I just set up my whole phone with my old phone. That's dope. Unable to activate without an internet connection. Try again. Hold on, why my phone ain't connected to the internet? Well, that's how you activate it. That was easy. And yeah, and I got the case and the screen protector from Five Below. So yeah, this was very quick. I thought it was gonna be more fun than this, but at least you guys know, if you already have the XR, it's about the same size. And if you get an iPhone 13 case, it'll fit your 14. So yeah, thanks for watching my unboxing of my new iPhone. I'm gonna finish setting it up. And yeah, I will see y'all tomorrow on the VLOGMAS.